Hi everyone! Let's dive into a fascinating journey through the world of stem cells and discover how to boost them using three powerful methods: fasting, therapy, and supplementation. First up, let's talk about fasting. When you restrict calories like in fasting, it's not just about shedding a few pounds, it's a cellular cleanup. The weaker cells bow out, making room for brand new stem cells to take the stage. But remember, you need a mix of strong will, discipline, and consistency to make it work. And yes, it might mean saying a temporary goodbye to some of your favorite snacks. Tough, but possibly worth it. Next, we step into the world of science with stem cell therapy. This isn't your DIY YouTube tutorial stuff. It's high-tech science performed in clinical settings where stem cell components are carefully introduced into your body. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's real, though it does come with a hefty price tag and should only be done by specialists. And lastly, let's talk supplementation. Ever heard of ImuRegen? Europe's best-kept secret when it comes to better health at DNA level. It's a dietary supplement that's been around since 1983, developed in Europe and packed with the nutritional big guns. We're talking about the 5 nucleotides that support your DNA and RNA, the 9 essential amino acids, and 118 oligopeptides that boost natural immunity and help your organs regenerate. Plus, it throws in some vitamin C for good collagen production and minerals like zinc and iron. The best part? ImuRegen is affordable and available through Forever Healthy Products, or FHP, and getting involved is a breeze with their affiliate program. Just reach out to the person who shared this video by checking the details in the description box below. No purchase required to get started, and if you want to try ImuRegen, check the links in the description box and avail ImuRegen products online. Stay tuned till the end to sneak a peek on the science and power of ImuRegen when it comes gaining better health. And remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new health regimen. Prevention is key, but having a solid plan to boost your stem cells can be your next best step towards maintaining a vibrant, healthy life. Get your affiliate link today and step into a world of health possibilities. Thanks for tuning in and stay healthy, everyone.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you ImuRegen. Imu represents immunity and Regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue, which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. ImuRegen supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.